Other major downsides of running a dot on this gun is currently there aren't a lot of dots on the market that can be adjusted to sufficient point of aim, point of impact for a lot of common ammo out there. This Primary Arms is one of the few optics that does. I know the Holosuns are having issues with it. Another issue is there's no backup iron sights. So if your sights go down, you can't see this front sight at all through the window. There's no rear sight. And if you could, you'd be aiming up at the sky. So you're gonna be point shooting this gun if for whatever reason the dot does fail.